Welcome to Benalmadena, Spain. Hidden away, uphill from the beach, is a beautiful little public park called Parque de Paloma. Paloma Park is open 9 a.m. until 11 p.m. every day and is completely handicap accessible. Most of the park is featured around the big pond, and almost as soon as you start walking towards it, the sounds of the city melt away. There are plenty of doves and pigeons to feed, and yeah, that's right, even a chicken or two. And even though you're not supposed to feed the animals, everybody has a stash of bread. Can you spot the turtles at the bottom of Turtle Tree? One of the most interesting things about the park is all the various animals. There's ducks and turtles, and there's also plenty of seabirds. People come all day long to feed the ducks. Oh my gosh, how cute! Look at all the baby ducklings! Now it's my turn to give some bread to that big old fat pigeon. Oh! Is that a parrot? And a dove? Oh, and another parrot? As you head up the hill, you come upon the Peace Memorial. It's just lovely and peaceful here. Okay, I was secretly following this cute little old couple, and then she turned around and busted me. What's this little animal hiding in the shade? Oh my gosh, it's a little bunny! Oh, he's so cute! Oh my gosh, is that Mama Bunny? She's huge. And who's hiding over here? It's a rooster! Well, he can have some bread too. Just before the entrance to the children's playground are these giant heads. They're actually so big that kids can crawl into them. The kids' playground area is great. Plenty of places for parents to sit, strollers to park, and then there's a giant bridge that kids have to crawl over to get to the other side. This park is so well designed, they even put up a bamboo forest in between the kids' area and the library. It totally cuts down on the noise. Hidden away by the library is a beautiful little koi pond. Oh, a couple more turtles. Luckily, I had a couple of scraps of bread left, and I fed them to all the tiny little minnows. Can you see them? On Saturdays, the library hosts outdoor activities for kids and parents. Just past the library starts the Cactus Garden. Hidden away from the rest of the park is a little secret fountain. Is that cactus wearing a toupee? You can actually eat this cactus. We call it nopales. And in the spring, it gets covered with all these little tiny buds that turn into prickly pears. It's a great fruit. The dove comes in for a drink from the fountain, right on cue. This central fountain is where all the pigeons hang out. They like to have their morning baths and play King of the Hill. And what animal is hiding behind this bush? Ah, a zebra. No, he's not real. These palm trees are alive with sound. It's those monk parakeets, and this guy has a great stick to go make a nest with. The green parrots are actually monk parakeets, and they're all over the park. They squawk all day long. They're quite the talkers. Luckily, I speak parrot. Yeah, they're saying, thanks so much for coming. See you next time.